The visa policy of the Philippines is governed by Commonwealth Act No. 613, also known as the Philippine Immigration Act, and by subsequent legislation amending it. The Act is jointly enforced by the Department of Foreign Affairs and the Bureau of Immigration, although visas are issued under the sole prerogative of the BI. Generally, foreign nationals who wish to enter the Philippines require a visa unless he/she is a citizen of a member state of the Association of Southeast Asian Nations, he/she is a citizen of a non-ASEAN member state whose nationals are allowed to enter the Philippines visa-free, he/she is a balikbayan and is only returning to the Philippines temporarily. Visa Policy Map. Visa Waiver Program. The Philippine Visa Waiver Program is governed by Executive Order No. 408, signed on November 9, 1960 by President Carlos P. Garcia, and by subsequent executive issuances amending it. While visas are issued by the BI, the program itself is administered by the Department of Foreign Affairs, which maintains a list of countries eligible to participate in the program. In principle, nationals of countries which maintain diplomatic relations with the Philippines and whose nationals are not classified as restricted nationals by the DFA are allowed to enter the Philippines without a visa. Eligible nationals availing of visa-free entry must possess passports valid for at least 6 months beyond their contemplated period of stay. On July 1, 2013, the BI began implementing an extended visa waiver for covered nationals from 21 to 30 days, which the Philippine government hopes will boost tourism. The program will be fully implemented in August. Visa-exempt foreign nationals may extend their stay 2 months per extension but not exceeding the maximum period of 2 years. Foreign nationals who require a visa may extend their stay 1 month per extension but not exceeding the maximum period of 6 months and must have a ticket valid for onward travel. In March 2015 it was proposed to extend the visa exemption to citizens of China and India. Holders of passports of the following 157 jurisdictions do not require a visa for Philippines. 59 days Brazil, Israel. 30 days 14 days Hong Kong, Macau. 7 days British national, Portugal. Replacement visas nationals of China traveling as tourists and holding a valid visa issued by Australia, Canada, Japan, United States or a Schengen area state may enter and stay without a visa for up to 7 days. Nationals of India holding a valid tourist, business or resident visa issued by Australia, Canada, Japan, Singapore, United Kingdom, United States or a Schengen area state may enter and stay without a visa for up to 14 days. If Indian nationals are utilizing replacement visa scheme, the port of entry need to be via Ninoy Aquino International Airport in Manila. Visa on arrival, holders of passports issued by any country except the following may obtain a visa valid for 59 days on arrival. Electronic travel authorization, citizens of Taiwan may apply for an entry permit through the Electronic Travel Authorization System on the website of the Manila Economic and Cultural Office. Non-ordinary passports, holders of diplomatic, official or service passports of the following countries enjoy an extended length of stay when compared to ordinary passports. Holders of diplomatic, official or service passports of the following countries may enter without a visa while ordinary passport holders require 1, DA Euro diplomatic passports or Euro official passports S Euro service passports. Types of visas. The Philippine Immigration Act prescribes 14 different visas grouped into 2 broad categories: Section 9 visas, for temporary visits such as those for tourism, business, transit, study or employment; Section 13 visas, for foreign nationals who wish to become permanent residents in the Philippines. Some visas have been introduced by subsequent legislation or proclamation of the President which are not classified by the Philippine Immigration Act as either being a Section 9 or Section 13 visa. These visas are called special visas and are issued to groups such as retirees, investors and entrepreneurs. List of visas. Notes. References. External links: the Bureau of Immigration, How to Extend a Tourist Visa in the Philippines, Visa information from the Department of Immigration, PHL grants visa-free privilege to 7 more countries.